In preparation of Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, concept art has been shared and work continues at the Polynesian Resort. The entryway will feature a new covered area for vehicle arrival. There will also be a facade that features colors complementary to the longhouses found throughout the resort. Along the monorail station, new wooden screens will be decorated with geometric patterns in fun, tropical colors. Enhancements will also be made to the gardens and fountains that welcome guests into the resort, with additions like dramatic lighting in the form of chandeliers inspired by glass floats, fishing nets, and oversized bamboo elements. New chandeliers will match the existing grand chandelier in the resort lobby. In the rethemed rooms, the updated spaces will have a new color palette inspired by the Pacific Ocean and its islands, as well as details, patterns, and textures from the Disney film Moana. All new furnishings and features can be found in the rooms, as well as in the bathrooms. Disney Imagineers took inspiration from the sandy ocean floor for the tiles and carved details in the vanity. The patterns found throughout the space evoke images of ocean waves and tropical flowers. All of this is being done in preparation for the 50th anniversary, and guests can book rooms for stays starting in July. For more information, head to attractionsmagazine.com.